I love your new listing here in Wolf Willow, Tracy. The vaulted ceilings in this house are unbelievable. They make the space look massive along with these windows.
Yeah, it's an absolutely stunning bungalow, 2,300 square feet developed, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and beautiful finishes.
What else is going on in the community that some of my clients might want to know about?
It's an amazing location. If you like to golf, there's Blue Devil Golf Course. It's 18 holes. There's the Bow River. You can walk to it, and Fish Creek Park as well.
Oh, that's outstanding. Lots to do outside then.
Yeah, and shopping is nearby, which is really nice.
That's great.
I hope you enjoyed the tour, Sarah.
I did. Thanks, Tracy.
I'm Tracy Gibbs with the Alberta RE Real Estate Team.
And I'm Sarah Scott with the Alberta RE Real Estate Team.
Call us for a tour.